But ultimately, what I am thinking, for example, in Andhra Pradesh, TCS is our partners not now on information technology from the beginning. Now we are working data lake. By integrating all records in Andhra Pradesh with the data individuals, authentication with the Aadhaar, and also family as a unit, and every house is geotagged, and also GPI, GI, and also Government of India programs, Government of Andhra Pradesh programs, and public satisfaction, service delivery, all files online. Now we are going, historical data is available, we are computerizing, we are putting on cloud or data centers. And at the same time, tools are available, AI, now we are talking quantum AI, AI for quantum computing, and also real-time data is available now through satellite, drones, CCTV cameras, IoT, wearables, sensors. By creating aware, we are getting 42 parameters real time. It may be temperature, humidity, rainfall, thunderbolt prediction, cyclone, cloud burst, soil moisture, groundwater, reservoir water, whatnot, everything. Even pest, crop pattern, prediction of crop yield, so that I can plan it for marketing. If I get all these things, for government, if I link with quantum computing, real time, I can get data, historical data is available, knowledge is available globally, computing with AI, quantum computing. I can communicate real time to the last mile again for execution. That is a game changer for future, either for health, either for agriculture, either for any walks of life. If you can do that, then youngsters are here, startup companies, and also this ecosystem players, huge market, pharma industry. Now they are doing, Suchitra is here, they are doing biotechnology. So much of research, so much of all these things. Now by using quantum computing, you can reduce the time, you can prepare your modules at a cost-effective way. Even personal medicine is not far away. So this is where I am visualizing all these things. So how to go about, all of us has to think in that direction. As our Excellency Jennifer has rightly mentioned, India and America, two big democracies. We have to compete with each other, we have to work together for each other for global good. India and America has to do in that direction. That will go a long way. Even Secretary has rightly mentioned now, they are building ecosystem. He made one comment, I am very happy. He has to prepare very clear targets. Finally, he said, India is not only a participant, we will be a player.